Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Bennie Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community, and I'm back with another inspirational video. And this video is again another update of our current GBP USD trade. Yesterday we were in much of a drawdown, and we can see that better. Well, I wouldn't say a drawdown, but we didn't get much profit. We can see that better on the 1 hour time frame. We see where price is really consolidated for this pair yesterday within a 40 pip range. So coming out of London, it shot up for us. The 40 pips coming out of London, and then it came back to the very low of London, and so it's been ranging since then. Earlier this morning during the Asian session, I hope you guys can see that okay. I kind of have the Fibonacci here, but we'll get into that more. But earlier this morning during Asian session, we see where we got a little bit of a dip before it shot up. Now we're in profit right now, minus the commission and swap fee, $825. Now this is what's going on that I foresee again for this pair. On the lower time frame, according to the market makers method, this pair looks like it's setting up the multi-day or multi-session M pattern for the midweek reversal. If that does happen, I think this midweek reversal would just be a short pullback, if you will. Not very much, or not very long, if you will. I'm thinking it may last today through the rest of the week. But again, based on the 4 hour, we're looking for price to retrace back into this golden zone based off of the 4 hour, Fibonacci. Now, this current Fibonacci that I have here, if I'm not mistaken, it is for the week. All right, it's for last week's. And so, in my previous video about this trade update, I talked to you guys about how usually when you get these big shift candles, the market makers will come back and get at least 50% of it. And so, again, I was hoping that they would go ahead and get the 50% this week instead of drawing it out over a couple of weeks like they did here. Like this shift candle, this is again the weekly chart, so it produced a shift candle coming out away from this accumulation zone here, produced a shift candle, came back up and got a portion this week, and then the following week it did wick up, but again they got those stop orders that were up here, triggering the buy orders, triggering the stop losses that were here. Okay, and so again, and we understand that the current trade that we're in is a counter trend trade, because the majority trend for the GU pair is a downtrend. I do see where this more aggressive trend line has been broken. We do see the double bottom formation here. We do with this bluish purplish colored square here, we do see where this was actually a fresh accumulation area of price, and then also inside of that was this demand area that was created. So price on the monthly, this is on the monthly, has been respecting this demand area and really respecting this distribution area here. So I think that we're in the middle of a pullback to either test the main trend or break it. Um, Now, if it does break it, we do have a fresh um, uh, distribution area right here that price will more than likely, um, you know, they may run through it, but I don't think that they'll run through it if it breaks this trend line. Um, so right now we understand that it's a counter trend. We're taking advantage of this pullback against the overall trend. And again, for this particular trade, we're looking for price to come back up in this 4-hour golden area here. So we're looking at about a 1,600 profit here. All right, this is about a 106 pip uh, distance here, and at the top of this golden zone, we're looking at about 146 pips, so a $1,600 profit if if it goes all the way up here. So, um, yeah, again, on the intraday level, I do know where price is forming this double um, this double top multi-session M, all right, for the midweek reversal. But like I told an individual that I'm currently mentoring, and it's all speculation. It's always speculation, all right? It's always 50-50. It's always a price could do this or it could do that. That's just the way it goes, because we're not fully in control of the market. You know, the high institutions or the big banks, the market makers, they're in control of that. But we do have the understanding that the market, we put our mindset in the mindset of investors and businessmen. All right, they want to get price to a particular point. Let's take a look at the summer 15, see what it's doing. Yeah. So yeah, we see where an exhaustion point has come, and we do have a little bit of divergence between the RSI and the RSI portion of the TDI indicator and price. And so we do see that forming early here, but again, we're basing our trade off of the 4-hour chart. And again, I really feel like this trade has a whole lot more to give. So we'll see. Worst case scenario, we'll break even, or we'll give the market, a little bit. I know that's not, some people don't like to hear that. Some people, hey, take the 800 and run with it. But again, we trade based off of the larger flow of the market, and yeah, so that's kind of where we are right now in this trade. I hope your trading week is going well for you as well. And so I'm going to go ahead and get out of here and let you guys continue to, or start your day, or what have you. But so again, you can always head over to teachmetofishfx.com. Sign up if you are interested in slowing the market down and being able to trade with the flow of the market. I know that there are some great scalpers out there, but and we do have a scalping method, which, no secret, it's the market maker's method. We do have other trading strategies to share with you. The Teach Me to Fish FX trading community, it's a community that it is for the range of the novice and the expert trader. All right, so if you're new to Forex, we teach you everything you need to know to be profitable. If you're experienced, We have strategies for you. If you're an expert, we have strategies for you as well. So this is an all-inclusive trading community. And so, again, head over to teachmetofisheffects.com and sign up if you're interested in being a part of this community. There may be some things that, well, I wouldn't say maybe, I definitely know that there will be some things that we'll be able to unlock for you and make you aware of. So, all right, guys, that's going to be it for me again this morning. As always, if you stand God, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy pip fishing. Bye-bye.